First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to solve a seating arrangement medium level set number 12. So already we have solved 25 easy level arrangement question. So now we will be solving a medium level seating arrangement question, that too set number 12. So don't forget to watch all my earlier sets. So set number 12, there are group of 8 person A to H including 2 families. So totally there are 8 members in a family, and there are 2 families, right? So 2 family totally consists of 8 members. So all of them are sitting around a circular table. So it's a circular table, and they have noted that all of the person are facing the center. So totally there are 8 person but contains 2 families. Got it? Okay. So next question. 3 members of this group belongs to one family and the remaining 5 belongs to another family. So always remember that the first few lines of the seating arrangement are most important, because that are the main clues of the complete arrangement, right? So they are saying that one family which contains 3 members and the second family is containing another remaining, that is 5 members. So totally there are 8 members which contains 2 families. Understood? So there are 4 females in a group. So what they are saying is, out of 8 there are 4 females. We know that totally there are 8 members sitting in a circular table. If there are 4 females, then the remaining 4 will be male members. Understood or not? So totally out of 8 there are 4 females and 4 males. So all these clues are always important to solve the arrangement. So now the first point is, E sits second to right of G. So G right hand side, at the second place E is sitting. So let me start from here. So G right hand side 1 and 2. So G right hand side at the second place where the person E is sitting. And we don't know the gender of the person. Let me move on to the next point. U is a female. See, G comma U is a female. That means the person G is the female, right? So you guys know that I always denote the female members as a circle and male member as a box. So here we can say that the person G is a female. Understood? So D is wife of H. So H wife is D, right? So let me draw the blood relation diagram also. So H wife is D. If H wife is D, then H will be the male person. Understood or not, right? So okay. So next point what they have said is, and second to left of B. So B left hand side at the second place where the person D is sitting. But there are many possibilities here, because we can fix B here, we can fix B here. But according to the point what they are saying is, B left hand side at the second place D is sitting. So let me take it as a first clue. So B left hand side at the second place where D is sitting. So next point is, D sits on the immediate right of her husband. Just see here, the person D is sitting immediate right of her husband. We already know that D's husband is who? H. So now according to the next point what they are saying is, D sits on the immediate right of the husband. That is H right hand side, immediately D is sitting. So H right hand side immediately D. D right hand side at the second place B is sitting. We know that the person H is a male. So if I fix H here, this will be D. If I fix H here, again we are getting many possibles, right? We don't want to fix the persons in the arrangement. Let me take it as a clue and we can move on to the next point. So F is D sits, okay. So F is sister of H. So H sister is F, so female person, and is not exactly between G and E. See, what they are saying is, the person F is the sister of H and the person F is not sitting between G and E. So here the person F is not sitting. Got it? So next point, so still now we have fixed only 2 persons, that is E and G. So next point is, B sits on the immediate left of G. Just see here, the person B sits to the immediate left of G. So immediate left of G, the person B is sitting. Got it or not? So now we already know that B left hand side at a second place D is sitting. So B left hand side 1, 2. So here the person D is sitting. So D immediately left hand side, as husband is sitting, her husband is sitting. So here it will be H. We already know that the person H is a male person. Understood or not, right? So we don't know the gender of the person B, gender of the person D, but we have fixed the 1, 2, 3, 4 persons. Okay. And U is wife of G. So the U is wife of E, right? So E wife is G. So E wife is G. Okay, so let me take it as another point that E wife is G. If G is a wife, then E will be the husband. So we know that G is already a female person. So now E will be the husband, right? So here E will be the husband. Okay. So interesting question. So next point is C sits opposite to her sister. So the person C is sitting opposite to her sister, but we don't know who's the sister of C. Okay, so let me move to the next point. I think so we can't able to fix it. And second to left of A. So what they are saying is A left hand side, right? Just listen the word carefully. C sits opposite to her sister, but we don't know who is the C sister. Got it? But C is the female person. Why? Because her sister which determines the person C is also a female person. So C sits opposite to the sister because we don't know who is the C sister here. But another clue what they are saying is and second to left of A. So A left hand side at the second place the person C is sitting. If I fix A here, I can't able to fix C. So only chance that I should fix A here. So A left hand side will be this side at the second place where C is sitting. So we know that the person C is a female. And what about A? So A is not, and we know that remaining only one letter, that is F. So F should be placed here. And we know that F is a female person. Understood or not? So finally 1, 2, 3% gender is unknown, right? Okay, so 3% gender is unknown. Let me move to the next point. I think still one more point is remaining. Who is son of H? So H son is A. So now H is having a son, that is A. So if H son is A, where is the A here? So we can say that A will be the H son, which is a male person. And we already know that the person C, right, is sitting opposite to the sister, opposite to a sister. So we can say that definitely D will be the sister of C. And another important clue here is one family contains 5 members. So definitely I should fix C here. Got it? So remaining only one person, right? Who is that person? See, one family is containing 5 persons. Another family must contain 3 persons. So already 2 persons are here. What is the last point? B is son of E. So E son is B. So E son is B. So B will be the male person. Where is B? So B will be the male person. That's it. So finally, we confirmed all the persons, gender of the persons, as well as we have confirmed 2 family. That is one family which contains 5 members and another family which contains 3 members. Understood or not, right? Very interesting to solve. That's it, right? So this is the way you have to solve these kinds of questions. Don't be that much fast to solve it. So it is easy, right? You slowly try to solve the question without any confusion, then it will be easy. If you keep on confusing, like some students, what they used to do is they read one point again and again, they try to fix here. Kindly don't do that. If you can't able to fix that in the arrangement, take it as a separate clue. What I did here, see, I have taken as a separate clues. Each and every clues I have taken it as a separately, and then after confirming it, try to fix in the arrangement so that you will be getting the answer easily. Got it or not? So I think after getting all these stuff, then solving the remaining 5 questions based on the arrangement will be very simple. Only this arrangement fixing part is most important. So that's it. So this will be the answer for set number 12 medium level seating arrangement question. So don't forget to watch all my arrangements, and if you don't have any proper internet facilities, or if you want to study a completely full-fledged, then you can get our offline pen drive. So WhatsApp us to get our offline pen drive so that it is easy to watch all my YouTube videos in offline. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.